Interesting. 8:25 in the Health Center this morning. We're talking about sports dehydration. Joining us this morning are doctors Verona and Ann Herscher from the Family Care Center, Wheaton Franciscan Healthcare in Glendale. Thank you both for being here. Dr. Meyerhofer, I'll start with you. Why is it important that we stay hydrated?
Your body contains about 2/3 of fluids, so you need to maintain a certain fluid level to maintain your daily activity and from preventing your body to getting sick.
We've heard 8 glasses a day, but that's just if that's for normal activity.
That's correct. So if you're active and actually losing more fluid by being active, you should at least drink maybe 2 more liters on top of those 8 glasses of water per day.
Dr. Herscher, let's talk about some of the symptoms when you are dehydrated.
You may notice, excuse me, that you're sweating less, your mouth is dry, your lips are dry and cracked, feeling fatigued, not performing at your normal sports level, and just not feeling right. And obviously also the thirst. But if you're feeling thirsty, that's a sign that your body's telling you you're already dehydrated and you should have started drinking a while ago.
And isn't it also true that you should drink not just before, but after?
You should drink before, during, and after. You should be drinking about every 15 to 20 minutes during strenuous exercise.
How important, or is it always a case that it's hot outside when people experience dehydration? Can there be other weather conditions? Can it be cooler and you still somehow become dehydrated?
Yes, of course. If you're not taking in enough fluids, even in the winter, you can get dehydrated.
And I think a lot of people, we're into the extreme sports and we spend lots of hours working out or playing our sports, and it really is easy to forget what you're drinking. And do sodas count?
No, sodas actually do not count. They actually cause dehydration.
Really?
Sodas and juices, they contain a lot of sugar, which causes your body to lose water.
Didn't know that. So your Pepsi, not counting. Dr. Herscher,
Nope.
Are children more at risk for dehydration?
Children are more at risk because of their size. They lose more fluid per square inch, and so it's very important to make sure that children stay well hydrated. They don't have the ability to say that they're thirsty or that they're not feeling right as well as adults do. So it's important to make sure that you're giving your child enough fluids during their activities.
And again, those juice boxes, they're not cutting it.
No.
They're not cutting it. And how can you prevent becoming dehydrated?
You can prevent becoming dehydrated by keeping cool when you go outside. Try to stay in the shade. If you're active outside, especially when the weather is hot, try to drink enough fluids, as we said, before activity, during activity, and take water breaks in between.
It's like running a car with no gas.
Correct.
You need the water. You need the water. Thank you so much for being here, doctors.
Thank you.
And